Hi, I'm Grace.
And I'm Hazel. We are from Chicago, and we went on the Rustic Pathways Hawaii service trip.
We had so much fun on this trip, from snorkeling, ziplining, surfing, going through volcano tubes, hiking, making amazing friends, and definitely the service too.
It was so hard to choose just one thing because we did so much while we were on the main island, but one of the most memorable moments was definitely when we did a cooking competition back at the main ranch.
Yeah, we were split into two teams, 12 and 12, and our program leaders, which is also the judges, gave us a special ingredient, and my team had beef and Hazel's team had chicken. And one of the most fun parts was definitely like bonding together and working together because we only had a certain amount of time, so everyone was rushing like kitchen to kitchen.
And one of the best parts was also at the end when we presented them to the judges. We tried to come up with the best backstories relating them to Hawaiian culture to try and win over the judges, and it was just such a good funny moment.
This moment on the trip meant so much to us because it really bonded everyone together.
Yeah, after the cooking competition, everyone really clicked.